Now disassemble the pump head of the HJZ mechanical metering pump. The tool is a 6mm hexagonal screwdriver. There are screws on the back of the pump head, and when disassembling it, the hand should press the screws. Pump head disassembly success. Now, disassemble the diaphragm. Turn it counterclockwise to the left, and the diaphragm is unscrewed. Now install the diaphragm. Behind the diaphragm, there is another gasket, the protruding part against the diaphragm. There is also a small shim. Screw it on clockwise. Now install the pump head. The pump head has an arrow showing on the cover. Install it with the arrow coming up. Place the screws on the corresponding holes first. Be sure to secure the screws diagonally. Be careful not to fix the screws too firmly at first, but reinforce them slowly. The pump head is installed successfully.